Hello Pinoy sellers! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Pinoy Selling Secrets. And of course, today I'd like to greet all of you a happy New Year. Manigong bagong taon 2025 sa ating po lahat, professional sellers out there. And also to the business owners and the entrepreneurs na kasama po natin dito sa Pinoy Selling Secrets. Alright? Now, gusto ko sanang simulan ng taon by focusing on the proper mindset ng isang professional seller. Okay? Kasi alam nyo, maraming mga successful sales professionals na nakakahit ng target nila, malaki ang commission nila, they earn a lot. Alright? And they're able to buy the things that they want to buy and to travel to many places that they would like to travel. Pero at the end of the day, yung iba sa kanila, there's this sense or feeling of parang kulang pa rin. Diba? So, merong level of unfulfillment. Parang hindi pa rin totally fulfilled yung kanilang professional career and even personal life. No? On the other hand, meron din naman po mga unsuccessful sales people na doing all their best, talagang working very hard, trying everything para po maka-achieve ng success sa kanilang selling profession. Pero ganun pa rin, frustrations and parang self-doubt pa rin ang nasa isip at puso nila. And therefore, it becomes very difficult for them to achieve the kind of sales success that they long for. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, both successful and unsuccessful sales professionals can have a negative feeling pa rin. No? Nandoon pa rin yung negative emotions, meron pa rin frustration sa mga unsuccessful, meron pa rin unfulfillment sa mga successful ones. No? So, both sides, meron pa rin mga negative aspects, no, na kanilang nararamdaman. Now, why do I say that? Because I believe that if we begin our work as sales professionals, no, business owners, entrepreneurs, if you're into selling and you're selling for your company or your business, lahat po tayo, di ba? If we do not begin with the right mindset or with the right attitude, it would be very difficult for us to achieve a positive and really fulfilling and satisfying results and parang, alam mo yon, yung emotional reward for doing our work. Okay? So the question is, so paano nga? Ano nga ba ang tamang mindset? No? If you want positive results, more fulfilling, more engaging, and of course, better results in your work as a sales professional, well, ang tamang mindset is to have an attitude that our profession of selling and promoting our company products and services is all about helping others. And, diba? It's all about helping others. The mindset is to serve others. If our mindset is to serve others, to see how we can improve the business, the profession, the life of our potential clients, customers, prospects, lahat ng mga kausap natin, if our intention is to help them do better, then I believe mas nagiging fulfilling ang whatever success ang ating na-achieve sa ating profession. So, if we are able to hit our targets, kasi alam natin, bumili sa atin yung mga tao because our products or services help them become a better person or a better business, diba? Then, hindi lang yung fulfillment na may commission tayo, may income tayo, but more so, yung alam nating nakatulong tayo. Alright? So, yun yung importante. And unfortunately, maraming mga both successful and unsuccessful salespeople have that sense of either frustration or unfulfillment. Yung walang fulfillment, no? Lack of fulfillment. I don't know if meron mong word na unfulfillment, but lack of fulfillment. Okay? So, these are both negative vibes, negative emotions, negative feelings that can be overcome by always thinking to ourselves that the reason we're selling, the reason we're going out, the reason we are talking and reaching out to people and building our networks and our connection is because we would like to spread good things, that we would like to make sure that we are able to help people do better, right? So, bottom line, selling for me, and I hope this will become your mantra also for 2025, is that it is about serving. It is about helping. It is about making sure that our customers move up higher and higher and higher, becoming better and better and better. When we do that, tayo mismo will be more positive in our lives this year. All right. So with that, keep selling and keep helping and serving others. So sana po magkita-kita tayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Please follow me in Facebook, Pinoy Selling Secrets. No? Pinopost ko po yung mga regular schedules ng ating webinar for this year. Magkakaroon na po tayo ng Empowering Sales Mastery webinar this January. So, pakitignan nyo na lang po yung mga specific schedules for January for our webinars. Alright? So, with that, maraming salamat. Again, I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung mga thoughts natin today. Pinoy Selling Secrets, signing off.